Hey everyone, welcome back for day 16 of the advent calendar that was created for me by Lozziecreates. Go ahead and check her out. Everything's down in the description there for you guys. But today our clue is I found this and it looks so cool and I just knew you would make it. So, I trust you, Lozzie. Let's see what it is. It's something Harry Potter. Oh, that is awesome. It's one of the metal things. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be fun. Yep. This is gonna be fun. I'm pretty sure like most of the stuff that you got me that are crafts are gonna be done on the channel. So everybody's gonna get to see me make them. Oh, and there's more. There's a Snitch, there's Dragon, and then the Hogwarts Express train. And this one's Hagrid's hut. This is gonna look really cool on my Harry Potter shelf in my bedroom. I can't wait to do this. Well guys, tomorrow is day 17. We're narrowing down the days. We're getting close to finishing off the advent calendar. So make sure you're subscribed so tomorrow when I put up the next video, you'll be notified. And if you want to see me make these, my Twitch is also down in the description. Follow me on Twitch. Because I'll be making a lot of these crafts that she sent on my channel. I used to do Saturdays as craft days, but now I'm going to probably be doing my Mondays and Wednesday streams as craft streams because I got a second job. So on Saturdays I'll be working. Make sure you follow me on there, and I will see you guys soon. Happy holidays!